The Firth of Forth, just a stone's throw from Edinburgh on Scotland's east coast, is a safe haven for marine wildlife. From the crackling cries of Fulmar to Bass Rock, the world's largest colony of northern gannets. These islands are alive with birds as wild as the waters that they call home. Among these birds, few are as iconic and as beloved as the puffin. But beneath their cheerful appearance lies a story of survival. At the turn of the century on Craigleith, something was going wrong. Puffin numbers were falling, and fast.
It was fast, it was a jungle. I came out here and it must have been 2002, 2003, and it was a forest. And I realised quickly then, this is why we're not starting to see the puffins.
Tree mallow, it's a monster plant, and it's almost more like a tree in some ways.
The problem of tree mallow on our local islands was threatening the puffin populations by growing invasively out of control and choking the island so that the puffins couldn't nest successfully.
The whole idea about tackling the tree mallow is to stop its spread in the future as well as getting rid of it in the present.
It's quite hopeful. It shows that normal people can make a really big difference for wildlife if we pull together and if we keep going over a long period of time.
Goodness me, every person who's been here cut one stem of mallow. Look what you've done, look at this island now, and that's the main thing. It's been a real community thing.